Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some tips and tricks to improve the performance of your older PC running like Windows 10. If you are struggling with slow speed and laggy performance, this video is for you. Let's get started. So the section number 1, clean up disk space. The first step is to clean up unnecessary files and free up disk space. To do this, follow these steps. The first thing, just hold Windows plus S key and type disk cleanup. Open the disk cleanup and now select here your drive where you have installed the operating system. We are going with the C drive. This tool will calculate how much space you can free up. Select the types of files you want to delete and click OK. Alright, almost select all the files from here and then click on OK and then click on delete. Section number 2, disable startup programs. Next, we will disable unnecessary startup programs to speed up boot time and overall performance. For that, you need to open the task manager. Just right click on the taskbar and open the task manager. And now go into the startup. Now here you can see disable any program that you don't need to start with Windows by right clicking and selecting disable. Right now click on the status, the arrow downside, and you will see here there's 3 programs are running when my Windows startup. Also startup impact is measured over here, low and not measured. So what we are gonna do here, disabling unnecessary programs. So this will help you to fast boot up your operating system. I have already done it. A lot of files are running with my operating system, but I put those on disable so they won't run when my Windows boot up. Alright, section number 3, adjust visual effects for performance. Let's tweak the visual settings for better performance. Simply press Windows plus S key and type adjust the appearance. Alright. Once you open this, it will pop up a small window, the performance option. Now for better appearance, you can go let Windows choose what the best for my computer. Otherwise, for best performance, you can choose here adjust for best performance. Also, you can select here a few things like show thumbnails instead of icons and some other things. If you want, you can just select from here. Otherwise, just leave it unless Windows choose what the best for my computer. In my case, my PC is just fine, so I'm going with this option. But if you need performance, you can go with this option. Hit apply. One more thing here, I'm just including if you need a performance boost. It's according for games, not for speed up, like booting up your computer faster or something like this. It will only helpful for gamers. If you want, you can just go into the virtual memory. Now here you can see automatically manage packing file size for all drivers. When you check this option, it will improve your operating system performance. But if you uncheck this option and customize this, it will help you to play higher games on your low RAM. It's just like if you have 4 GB RAM, you can play games, but it's kinda laggy. Just because of your RAM, you can increase it a bit. Now how you can do that? Simply, one more thing, I'm just clarifying here. It will slow down your PC, but you can play games without lag. I hope this will clear your concept when you apply these settings for specific games. Now I have 12 GB RAM here. Alright, just note that you have 12 GB RAM or 4 GB RAM. Now what we are gonna do here, initial size, just put here the current allocated. It's 4352. Just put here 4, 3 and 52. Now the maximum size, you can increase your initial RAM. Like I have 12 GB RAM, which is, if we type in MB, it's 1.024 multiply by I have 12 GB. So this is my 12 GB RAM. Now what you can do here, the normal one setting is you can just multiply it with 1.5 and that's it. You can use this one. Otherwise, if you need more RAM, you can just put here again 1024, which is your 1 GB size, multiply with 12 GB. That's your extra RAM. Now multiply 3 times, you will get here the 36.864. You can just copy this and paste it in the maximum and then click on set and OK. Now I'm not gonna do this because I have already enough RAM, like 12 GB is enough for my setup. But if you need like if you are using 4 GB or 8 GB and you want a bit increasement for games, then you can do it. Now, anyways, let's move on the section number 4, upgrade RAM. It's optional. If your PC has the capability, consider upgrading the RAM. This can significantly boost performance, especially on older systems. Make sure to check your PC capability before purchasing. Like sometimes your PC can handle only 2 RAMs, like you can put 2 RAM sticks in it. So make sure check all the scenarios and then upgrade your RAM. Okay, step number 5, optimizing power settings. This is the important settings, guys. Just power settings can make a noticeable difference. So just press Windows plus S key and then type here the power options and go into it. Once you go over there, just click on the additional power settings. Now, as you can see here, you have only balance and high performance. In my case, I have ultimate performance. I'll show you further about this, how you can add this ultimate performance. But right now, if you have only 2 like balance and high performance and power saving, you can go with the high performance. In my case, I have ultimate performance. So let's try to add this ultimate performance option over here as well. Alright guys, so if you are looking for a command that can potentially enhance performance on a Windows system, you can use the powercfg command to set your power plan to high performance. This can help maximize system performance, though keep in mind it may increase power consumptions. Here how you can do it, just close all these settings first and then we are gonna open here the PowerShell. Just right click on it, run as administratorly. That's important. Once you launch this, just copy the command from description and paste in it. Okay, once you have done this, just hit enter and you will now have ultimate performance. Just close it, again go into the power option and this time you will see here the ultimate performance just like that and hit apply. Okay, this is how you can configure the ultimate power plan. Okay, one more thing, if you are using Windows 10, click on the Windows icon, go into the settings and now here you need to go into the privacy, uncheck all these 4 options and then on the left side you need to find here the background apps. Once you over here, by default it's look like this. Let's app run in the background, so we don't need these apps on the backgrounds. Choose which app can receive info, send notifications and stay up to date even when you are not using them. So turning background apps off can help conserve power and as well it will boost your performance. Now the last thing, you can just click on the Windows icon, type here msconfig, open this one. Now if you did not install any extra softwares in your PC, still your PC is slow, you can go with the normal startup. This will significantly improve your performance. But if you have some background services, some extra background services, like I have installed some extra softwares like graphic drivers and video control panel and some other stuff, so in that case you need to go with the selective startup, then go into the services, hide all Microsoft services. Now here you can see there's a lot of services, those are running on the background. So what you can do here, just disable these services, especially the Google services. We don't need these services on background. And make sure don't uncheck the important services, like you can see here Steam client service. I can't uncheck this. If I do, I cannot launch Steam. Even the VGC, if I uncheck this, I can't play Valorant. It's a Valorant related service. So these kind of services are also included over here. So make sure what you need you can do over here and then hit apply and OK. And there you have it. These tips should help give your older PC a performance boost. Remember, it's all about optimizing settings and decluttering. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.